Is Shakeology worth the money? Hey everyone, if you're new here, I'm Shannon Golladay. Go ahead and click subscribe. I make new videos every single Wednesday about wellness, business, and how to simplify your time. To be honest, when I first heard about Shakeology, I said, no way. I love the workouts from BODi, but I did not want to try the shake. I did the workouts for about 2 years, saw incredible results, and then I wanted to pay it forward. I wanted to start helping other people because I just loved my results. And so when I was getting ready to start helping people, my mentor said, hey, do you want to try Shakeology? And I was like, I don't know. He's like, just give it a try. It's good if you try it so that you can recommend it to other people. But I was just super hesitant. I wanted to eat my food, not drink my food. And so I decided to try it in December 2011. And my results were awesome in that month. Of course, results vary based on your effort. But I lost 7 pounds in December when most people are gaining weight during the holidays, and I owe a big part of it to drinking Shakeology. So I became a huge fan, started using it myself. I've used it almost every day since, and I've been recommending it to the people that I work with ever since. People have seen incredible results by using it, and I'll give you 5 other reasons why I think you should consider it. If you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe for more videos just like this. Number 1, there is a person behind your bag of Shakeology. So unlike getting something from Costco or GNC or another supplement, you will have a person behind your bag. And this is a game changer. If you have any questions, if you need accountability, if you'd like to connect with other people in a support group, you will be supported and connected. Instead of just saying, here's your bag, see ya, and you never see the person that sold it to you again, you will have a support network, which is a game changer in getting results long term. Number 2, Shakeology curbs your sugar cravings. I love sugar. I could eat a whole dozen donuts, a whole plate of cookies, a whole bowl of ice cream regularly. And so I love Shakeology because it helps to keep my sugar cravings in check. Of course, I still have treats once in a while, but Shakeology helps me a lot. So you can make Shakeology into ice cream, you can make it into cookies, you can do energy balls, you can make a pie, you can have it as a shake as well, but it can be used in all different ways. So you can have it as a dessert and you can have it every single day. Number 3, this is brand new in 2023 since BODi changed its name to BODi. Now you can receive a new workout every single month when you order Shakeology monthly. How awesome is that? I just started the new workout for May 2023 and it's so motivating. There's workouts on a bike, there's workouts that are cardio, there's weights. So there's a variety of new workouts every single month and you get access to those brand new workouts when you have an order that comes every single month. Shakeology is packed with high quality ingredients, prebiotics, probiotics, adaptogens, flax, spinach, kale, and so much more. You can see on the bag, the list of ingredients goes on and on. A lot of people compare it to a protein shake, and you really can't compare it to a protein shake. A protein shake is just protein, and Shakeology is packed with all of these other ingredients that help with your overall nutrition. So it's a meal replacement shake, whereas a protein shake is going to help you right after your workout with your recovery that you're gonna have within 30 minutes. Shakeology you can have any time during the day, but it is packed with dense nutrition that's going to help you with your overall nutrition and your overall wellness to help with your digestion, your energy, and your weight loss. Number 5, there's a money back guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied, send it back. Even if you've had part of the bag, all of the bag, you can ship it and get your money back, no questions asked. There's so many benefits that I haven't even talked about. It's improved my hair, my nails, my skin, my overall well-being, and it's helped hundreds of my clients since December 2011. So if you're thinking about ordering it, I would love to be your person behind the bag. Check out the links in the description below. You can try a sampler pack. We have a whey-based version and a vegan version and several different flavors that you can try in a sample pack. Or you could get the whole bag, that's 30 servings, or you could get the bag plus the workouts and get a $20 off coupon code. I'd be happy to help you. So when you work with me, I'll get on the phone with you and I'll go over your goals. I work with people all over the United States, Canada, the UK, and France. I'll go over your goals, see what obstacles you faced. We'll help you pick a nutrition plan, a workout plan, and an overall wellness plan to help you to feel and look your best. I can't wait to help you get started. So go ahead and check out the links below to see if it's something you'd like to give a try, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Click subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos every single Wednesday.